Wow, I just nailed my heel on that. So this will be the quickest room tour because my room is not that big. But welcome to my room. I got this mirror at a thrift store and a bunch of these prints. Actually, most of the art is from my grandparents. So like a gay love situation print, obsessed with that. This, oh, you can't really see it. But her, she is everything. And then some like group posters that I've never really listened to them, but the black and white aesthetic, so sure. I have a gay poetry book. So I ripped out and made like kind of like a thing about it, San Francisco streets. And then I bought this when I was in France in 2016. Cute little chair. I bought that bag at a local thrift store. It's so cute and like, I don't know, it's just great. And I love the little like, and then it locks. Anyways, brass lamp, little chair, more prints. This is at a castle that my grandparents were working at, or like staying at for the university that your step-grandpa used to work at. Other one. This is my other grandpa's like little side table thing. Duvet cover and pillows are from Bed Threads. They targeted the f out of me on Instagram. And they finally got me. So about a year ago, I think I bought them. Anyways, super happy with them. I used to live with cats, and once I got them, I was like, you're not allowed in my room anymore because they would have destroyed them. And then yeah, here's my little like nook area with all my little shelves with knickknacks and stuff. Here's my little like bedside credenza. This is where like I keep my clothes. Air purifier because I have too many allergies. Stack of books. I need to return that library book. Oh my gosh, I still haven't. And yeah, more prints. She's everything. And I am starting a bust collection. So I have two. I wanted to get a tattoo that was a bust, but that was a bust. It didn't work out, but there's this artist that I really wanted to go to in Montreal. I submitted a custom thing and she just never got back to me. And it was one of those things of like, on her website it said if she doesn't respond then it's just, she doesn't want to do the project. And I was like, I get it, but her style was so cute and I just really, really wanted it. But for now, I have two. I made that one in college for one of my like classes that I was in, the sculpture class. One of probably my favorite classes in college. I was a business major, so. And then I bought that one at a thrift store. My bed used to be over on this wall, like the head of my bed was here, but I changed it to here because then I'm like, oh, I get to stare at this little cute, like, nook. So, still happy with that decision. We'll see if I change it. That's like the whole thing. I forgot to tell you, this guy's name is Peter. So backstory behind Peter. Peter is another one of the prints that my grandma and my step-grandpa had. And I was like, he looks incredible. Like, tell me his story. What's the deal? It said Peter on the back of the print. And I was like, huh? My grandma, Lavona, she used to work at like a supported living community kind of situation. And she was really big into photography. So what she did was she took portraits of all the people in the house. Peter was one of the people in the house, and so she took his portrait, and then every day he would go and sit directly underneath the portrait because she printed them out and hung them in the house. And so yeah, he just stares at me in my room now, and sometimes I say goodnight to Peter, and it's it's just a vibe. But it's kind of exciting because it's a little secret that most people don't really get to see, because when my door is open, when people are just checking it out, Peter goes into hiding. But then, when you close the door, Peter! So that's the whole room. We're kind of working on getting the rest of the house dolled up and organized. So once that's kind of more established with our vision, maybe I'll do a whole house tour. So if that's something you're interested in, hell yeah, let me know and we can make it happen. Anyways. Hey! Oh my gosh. Struggles of having curly hair, I guess. So now you're probably wondering, well, what's next? Is he gonna keep doing YouTube? Is he not gonna keep doing YouTube? And I guess this is proof that it's continuing. I'm trying to figure out, you know, what my niche is and like all of that stuff. And to be frank, I have no idea what I'm doing. And that's fine. I'm actually kind of okay with that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just doing what I do, I guess. I have some potential video ideas going forward and we'll just have to see what comes out. I mean, I've honestly kind of wanted to do this since I was probably 12 or 13. I made like a couple of videos when I was 12 and like I pulled those down. They are not on the internet anymore, except for one. If you really want to go see it, go crazy, but it's truly nothing special. I'm in the same spot I feel like as a lot of people my age. I'm 24, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know what I want to do as a career. I don't know what I want to do for my like hobbies even. I'm just confusion across the board. Kind of scary, kind of terrifying, but also very exciting because that means that anything is possible, I guess. And yeah, there's just so many opportunities to take, which also can kind of lead to like decision paralysis for me because there's just so many options and so many things I want to do that I just don't know what to invest my time in. And you know, again, I wasn't sure if I was going to continue this YouTube channel or not, but I think I'm going to. It might be a little cringe, it might be a little awkward, it might be a little weird because I'm getting used to talking to a camera. Hopefully soon the camera will be my bestie and we'll be unstoppable together. But we'll see. Come along for the ride, I guess. Every Wednesday I'm gonna try and put out something. I mean, I have the time to do it. I have some creative ideas that I think I want to put out there. And if nothing else, it's just a fun little experiment for myself. And that's okay. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.
Freaking smash that subscribe button.
And also like it while you're at it. I will see you next Wednesday for something potentially extremely exciting and fun. If there's anything you are dying for me to do, please put it in the comments below and I'll definitely think about it. I'm really tempted to invest in other camera equipment, so we'll see if that's the route that I end up going, but I wanna upgrade my microphone, I wanna upgrade my tripod because right now it's just my little tripod that's like so broken. It's a little mini tripod. It does the job, especially for seated videos. Yeah, it kind of leans one way, so we're gonna have to figure that out. My tripod is a cry for help. And I also need a light. Right now, I have this like really heavy brass lamp in my room that I'm like, perfect, that'll do. And then brass lamp, ooh, my little phone that I was talking about. Great lighting source, so love that. So that's my lighting for this week, plus natural light. Thanks again for sticking around. We'll see where this little adventure called life takes us. That's it. Bye. See you next Wednesday. Okay, one more quick thing before I really let you go. I reorganized my closet. And it's like coordinated now for all my like jackets. And I literally can't wait to wear every single one of these. Cause it's fall. That's a look in my closet. It's a pretty deep closet, to be honest. Like, okay, don't look down there. It's large. It does the job. And I honestly don't have that many clothes. So anyways, thanks for watching. Goodbye.